In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Monzo card quickly and securely. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to enter, and how to confirm everything is ready to go without any confusion. First, have your physical Monzo card nearby and make sure you're signed into the Monzo app on your phone. A stable internet connection helps the process complete smoothly. When you're ready, open the Monzo app and tap the home icon. This takes you to your main account view, where your balance and recent transactions appear. On the home screen, look for the option that says Activate My Card and select it. This is your in-app route to turn on your new card. The app will prompt you to enter your card details. Carefully type in the details exactly as shown on your physical card. Take a moment to double-check each number before you continue. A single mistyped digit can cause delays. Keep your card details private and only enter them within the Monzo app itself. Once you've submitted the details, the app processes the activation and you should see a confirmation that your card is ready to use. If you prefer not to enter details manually, there's another simple way to activate. You can use your card for an ATM withdrawal or make a purchase in a store using chip and PIN. Insert your card, enter your PIN securely, and complete the transaction. That action automatically activates the card. This is especially handy if you're already out and about and want to get set up in one go. A quick tip to avoid frustration. Contactless payments typically won't work on a brand new card until you've completed one chip and PIN transaction. So if you try to tap and it doesn't go through, just insert the card and enter your PIN once, either at a store or at an ATM, and you'll be good to go. Also, online transactions won't activate the card. It has to be done either through the app or with a chip and PIN or ATM use. As soon as activation completes, whether through the app or via chip and PIN, your card is ready to use immediately. You can head back to the home screen to see your account, make your next purchase, or withdraw cash as needed. If you don't see the Activate My Card option in the app, there's a good chance your card might already be active, and a quick chip and PIN purchase will confirm it. That's it. Open the app and activate, or simply use chip and PIN or an ATM, whichever is most convenient. Thanks for watching and enjoy using your Monzo card right away.